This is NAB Show Live.
Hello and welcome to NAB Show Live. I'm your host, Ryan Salazar. Today we have Carl Winkler, Vice President of Sales and Service at Lectrosonics. How you doing, Carl?
Doing well. Thanks for having me today.
Well, it's an honor having you. So Carl Winkler is a 25-year-old veteran of the professional audio industry. So he currently serves as Vice President of Sales and Service at Lectrosonics, but he's also provided hundreds of frequency coordinations for broadcast facilities, touring acts, and houses of worship. So along with providing lectures, chairing panel discussions, and all sorts of other things, I'm curious, how did you get started?
Well, you know, I used to love listening to records, the Beatles and things like that. And when I got the Cars' first record, I noticed that there was producer credits, Roy Thomas Baker, and it really interested me that there was somebody who made decisions about how the record was made. And, you know, it's a great sounding record, lots of hits from those records. And so I just thought, you know, I want to start pursuing learning about how to make records, learning about sound, audio equipment, and all that. So that's what kicked me off. I ended up studying sound engineering at USC in Los Angeles. Then I joined the Air Force and went on tour with the jazz band out of Washington, D.C. as front of house mixer. And then I went to work for Sennheiser in the mid-1990s as a product manager. And now I've been at Lectrosonics for 14 years. So it's been a long and varied career so far.
Excellent. So, you know, Lectrosonics and Sennheiser, all these other companies you're mentioning are all very respected organizations, and they've been around for a long time, essentially legends in the production and broadcast and live industry. So what trends does Lectrosonics see happening for wireless mics in broadcast for 2018?
Oh, the biggest trend that I see is the conversion into digital. You know, digital wireless mics have been around for more than 10 years. We've had some longer than that even. In our line, but the newer technologies give us a lot of new opportunities in this area. You know, users want a lot of things. They want a good operating range, they want broadcast quality sound, they want a rich user interface, they want a lot of flexibility, and digital gives us these tools in more abundance and with new trade-offs than analog ever could. So I think that's the biggest trend we're seeing.
All right, so how is Lectrosonics adapting to the significant loss of RF spectrum? And we know that's been such a hot topic with the recent FCC auctions.
It has. That's a big deal. We talk about it here a lot. A couple things that we're doing. Well, for one thing, we've been aware of this for many years, and so we've started design development 6 or 8 years ago on the products that we have in our line today. So we offer products that have a wide tuning bandwidth, which helps, you know, find clear spaces. We have products with exceptional filtering, like our Venue 2 receiver system. It's a studio receiver platform that offers IQ filtering, so you can get a lot of channels packed tightly, but still the same high performance that people expect from Lectrosonics. More recently, we've introduced a new IFB system called the Duet, and here's the receiver. It's a digital system that tunes widely from 470 to 608 megahertz, and that's all the remaining spectrum after the auctions are completed and the repack has taken place. So this is a digital system. It really saves RF space and offers really high quality for the studio users as well as field. And then our most recent introduction just last fall is the SM wideband series. The SM transmitters have been a huge popular product in our line for many, many years. And so the latest version gets a new user interface, also the ability to record on board. So you can use this product as a transmitter or as a recorder if you get into a situation where there's no spectrum at all available, or perhaps you're at a greater range or distance than is feasible for wireless, or perhaps in an environment like you know, a shot in an elevator where wireless isn't going to work. So that's the SM wideband series, and both of these products are going to, of course, be at our booth at NAB. And finally, we do offer a trade-in program for our users that have our older products that are looking to get rid of them because of the spectrum changes. And so, you know, it gives you an opportunity to get a discount on new products that would, you know, be possible to use after the changeover with the spectrum. So a lot of stuff's going on at Lectrosonics about the spectrum.
Very exciting. I love that screen behind you, by the way, with the little, I assume that's your control interface for selecting frequencies. So on your back.
Oh, this thing behind me? Yeah,
that's a control interface, right?
Yeah, it's a giant LR receiver. I mean, the LR receiver is a tiny receiver like this. And that's a giant one that I keep around for a prop, so just kind of fun.
It's totally cool, totally cool. Again, Carl Winkler, Vice President of Sales and Service at Lectrosonics. We'll see you at booth C5414, that's C5414, Central Hall at the 2018 NAB Show. See you soon.
Thanks for having me today. Appreciate it.